All right, this is a very good one. I would like to show you something very impressive and very important for people who own a garage. So if you own a garage, this one is for you. And if you are thinking of renovating a garage, this is also something you would want to think of. You can see where I am, the environment where I am, and on purpose, I didn't calibrate the color that you are seeing right now because we are going to transform this space looking from this to this. So let's dive in and show you exactly what we are dealing with. Now, before I show you the product, it's good to tell you the space we're working on because this light is meant for places like this one and also larger places. So this one is 20 by 20 and you can use this in shopping stores, you can use it on storage stores, you can use it in a garage like this one, you can use it in a hallway and stuff like that. Everywhere where you want good lighting, this is a good light you want to consider. So the lights we are going to install in this particular area, this is the LED linear high bay. They also have different kind of configurations that you can choose that suits your needs. And today we are going to use this particular light, which is the LED linear high bay. And because we are in the garage, it also comes with a companion. And the companion is the one that we are going to use when I am going to pull in the car, because there is also something I need to work on the car, and you will see how practical that is to use it, combining this one and the auxiliary lights that we are going to use, because it is portable. The auxiliary lights we are going to put in, it's portable. All right, what's in the box? Okay, so when you order the light, this is the linear high bay, link in the description. Click the link in the description because that's the one you would want to use, no other link, because people may show you different places to go buy it, but those ones are fake. This is the real one. When you get on the box, it comes with this one here. Okay, this light, it looks small, but it's really bright. So this one operates between 120 and 220 volts. All right, and it is 130 watt. And the temperature, the color temperature is 5000 Kelvin. And you have the mounting, I will call it the mounting wire. All right, and I am going to open it right away because we are about to use it anyway. So let me open it for you. Now, this one, you connect it directly to your source. You have the ground and you have the one which is the live and neutral, okay? So, let me now show you how to mount this. So you get these wires that I showed you. You get this here, like this. Like this. And the last one. Good. All right, we have this one set and we are going to mount it. And I'll get this part. I drop it inside. Oh, this is already looking good. This is already looking good. All right, this is good. This is good. And now I'll get this guy and I'll go ahead and turn it on like this. This is perfect. This is perfect. All right, we finished installing the lights. You can see how bright it is. This is the only one you need. The space, as I mentioned earlier, this space is 20 by 20. And boy, look at it. It's really bright, and man, I couldn't be happier having this in my garage. So use the link in the description. This is the only link you can get, so that you can also get a discount using the link that I'm providing you. Boy, this really nice upgrade to your garage. If you want to, it's up to you, but one is really the only thing you need. And the brand is called LGL. That's the only brand you need to go look at. There is no other brand. Just go use the link in the description that I provided. That is where you can get this one. Boy, look at this. Look at how bright it is. You know, I can literally work on the car without needing another light. But again, there are some spots which are not visible because now we have the car. There are certain spots which will not be visible to us. So if we look at this side, you can see that we are missing lights on this side. So assuming that we are working on the wheel and we're doing something on the wheel on this side here, we don't have enough light. So is this side over here as well. And if we move from this angle, okay, you can see, of course, we still have light that is that side. Okay, we still have light, we still have, so even if we have shelves, even if we have shelves around this side, we will still be able to see what's in the shelves. But again, we're getting shadows on this side. Again, it's still manageable. I can see clearly. I can use it without even needing another light. You can see that although we have a car, we still have visibility. But sometimes we really need more light. So let's set up the portable light. All right, so I am now going to set up the portable light, and this one you can move it around. You can go with it. Let's say you're going on a camping and stuff like that. You can still use this one as well. So we are going to set this up. We have the tripod. Okay, this tripod is it's rigid and strong. Use the link I provided in the description. All right, now next we have these two lights that we have to set up. So I will go ahead and quickly show you how you set up this light. So we will get this guy. We open up like this. You open this one like this, and you drop it like this. Very easy to set up. All right, get this one, and we'll drop it the same way we did. Has to go like this. Okay, and you get this one, you screw it in here like this, just like that. Great. Come on. Perfect. Now I will go ahead and plug this in. I just want to show you how the coverage is going to differ now, and it's going to provide us a lot of coverage on lights wherever we need light. Okay, now this is plugged in, and it requires to turn on the ignition, not really ignition, but it has the power button at the back. You can already see it's ready. It's already sending a lot of light. There we have one on, and we have the other one on. Look at how bright they are. Look at how bright they are, like a daylight. And probably sometimes we don't need both. Now, we knew that there was a spot that was not light. We knew that there was a spot that did not get a lot of light. So I'll turn this off and let me position this camera properly. All right, let me move back a little bit. You can see now how it lights up the space, including the one we have at the ceiling. All right, so listen up. I'm going to give you a reason why you need the portable light. Okay, so I am about to work on this space. This is the engine bay where I am about to work. Okay, and it's good, I can see, but let me turn off these ones. Okay, let me turn off these. I'm going to turn this off and turn this off. Of course, there is still plenty of light, but you can see it's a little bit dark. Okay, maybe because of I'm taking a video, but it's a little bit dark. When we work on the engine bay, we do want to have better view. That one is still on, the ceiling, okay, it's still on, I can see, but having the auxiliary light, which is the portable light, will make everything much clearer. And now I'm going to turn this on, probably just one for now. Even where it is right now, it's much better, and I can see the space over here clearly. I can do my work and everything I want to do, because right now I want to do something here, and this light is just perfect for the work I want to do. But of course I'm not going to leave it there. I will move it somewhere here because I don't have the extension. I need an extension to pull this way. I hope this was informative. I hope you learned something. Use the link in the description or scan the QR code that's showing on your screen. Thank you for coming along with me. Go get yourself the JC LGL light. Hope I catch you on the next one. Question, leave in the comments below.